Bro, check my Phantom wallet out. I made this entire portfolio specifically from launching crypto meme coins on the Solana blockchain, and in this video I will be exposing my entire strategy from A to Z for you guys so that you can become profitable yourself, okay? I hate trading meme coins because you are risking money of your own pockets on every trade, but deving is a complete opposite, and that's exactly why I love deving meme coins. Let's get straight to it. Now guys, there's a reason to why I hate trading meme coins, and that's because 95% of the entire market is full of scams, just like this coin right here. It pumps and then it dumps, and the whole reason to why you have to start deving is to avoid being in this situation right here. Because look, by trading meme coins, you are buying into a coin and you have no clue if it's going to go down. But if you create your own coin instead, you will have control over the entire chart and you are the one that will be selling and making money while the chart goes down. And obviously you have nothing to lose by being a dev because creating coins costs nothing. And that's exactly why in today's video I will be doing a step-by-step tutorial on how to launch, dev, find a narrative, launch it, everything bro, A to Z, all in this video without fucking punching a course in your fucking face. Anyways, keep watching, let's get straight to it. And by the way bro, everything is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. I am not here to, tell you what to do. It's up to you. The results will vary. It's all for educational purposes only. Cap. Now look, most people make their coins on Pump.Fun. I'm pretty sure most of you guys watching this video knows what is Pump.Fun. It's the biggest launchpad and DEX on chain, okay, on the Solana blockchain. And basically bro, most of these coins are just going nowhere except the top movers right here. I would say around 2% of all meme coins being launched goes viral, and all the others, okay, they get no buyers, no one buys them. That's because it's oversaturated. As you guys can see, every single second there's one new coin launching, even multiple of the same one, and that's it. So in my personal opinion, you should be avoiding deving on Pump.Fun because of this reason. Instead, launch on the Raydium DEX. There is less saturated. It is harder to get onto the Raydium DEX, but I have a method to bypass that. And also, bro, it just gets a bunch of credibility and a bunch of buyers when your coin goes to Raydium, obviously, because of all the attention. Now, look, to launch your meme coin on Raydium, bro, do not use Pump.Fun because of the restrictions and the migration price. Instead, use create meme.io, or there are other websites like, for example, coinlabs.fun. These two are the most legit. They have the same owner, so it's the most legit in my opinion, okay, and it's the best. And yeah, basically when you launch a meme coin here, it goes to Raydium immediately and it gets a bunch of attention and it goes in the migrate section. That is the whole point, right? Now look, to make a coin, bro, you could either create one from scratch. If you have a narrative, you can just make a name, symbol, and image, and then obviously, right, when you get to the next steps, you will be able to write the description and then put your links here. Or you can use their free X tracker and turn tweets into coins, okay, like within seconds. Or for example, if you are a trader, you can completely use this X tracker for completely free as a trader. It's up to you. But in this video, bro, we will be using my favorite method, also known as the copy trending coins tab right here. All these coins are going viral. They all have a good narrative, okay, and that's exactly why we love copying these coins back to Raydium. They're all going viral on Pump.Fun, which means they have a proven narrative and proven community behind them. So we will be using these narratives to launch them back to Raydium and then convince people to buy our coin by using these narratives. Let me show you exactly how to use it and how to copy a coin. Alright guys, now let's make some money, bro. Let me show you exactly how to dev a meme coin. Now look, connect your Phantom wallet, right? And then obviously click on refresh and then look for a coin to copy, right? I like to go for anything. I'm gonna copy the Woja coin. I chose it completely randomly, right? Click on copy the Raydium. Your Phantom wallet is going to show up. Just ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin will be created, okay? Just give it some time for it to load in. Then boom, now let's create the liquidity pool. Now guys, here is where we create the liquidity pool like that. It can go live and then like that it will go to Raydium and people will be able to buy your coin, right? It's as simple as that. Just follow along. For the coins right here, click on 90% supply. This will drop 90% of whatever this is. For the amount of SOL, here is where you will be inserting how many SOL you want to exchange for some supply. Like that, you can make profits while the coin goes up, right? I like to put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 SOL. You are not going to lose this. You can exit and you will get it back later. It's not a big deal. Click on create pool. Your phantom wallet is going to show up. In the block, right? Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. After that, bro, click on the refresh button and then scroll down and bang, the coin is live. Your piano is going to be right there. And if you want to see how much you're up now, click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see, we're up $154. This is insane in my opinion. This means your coin is going really good and people are aping in. Now guys, that is exactly why I copy coins. It's obviously for educational purposes only though. It's up to you if you want to copy a coin or create one. Now go on your chart to see the coin, okay? Let me go on full screen and then the coin should be live. Yes sir, it's live. Let me go on the lower time frame, 1 second. As you guys can see, we are gaining a bunch of fucking buyers. 1.8k. Oh my god, 2.5k market cap. 1.4k liquidity. Things are looking absolutely insane, bro. Oh my god. This is exactly why you have to start deving today, bro. Like, look at this. Within a couple seconds, we're up like $1,000, bro. Like, what the fuck? Yo. I mean, we're around at our P&L is at 1.4k if I had to guess. This is insane, bro. Bro, remember, this coin costed us nothing to create, okay? And that is insane. This is exactly why you have to start diving today, bro. Obviously, you can take this as advice, but I would not recommend, bro. I am not a financial advisor. Do this on your own terms. Now look, I'm gonna just wait for the coin to go up, and after a couple seconds, I'm gonna be right back, and I'll show you how to cash out. Alright guys, I am back and we are at the 2.5k liquidity, almost at the 10k market cap. Okay, this is insane guys. Usually my coin does this type of performance, right? And by the way, these are all organic buyers. It's insane. Come back to create meme.io and then click on the refresh button to see how much you're up now. And as you guys can see, we're up 2.2 bands from this coin already. Now click on minus, right? Do 100%. It's up to you if you want to do less or the full amount. I recommend 100%. Get it over with and move on to the next coin. Remove liquidity. Your phantom wallet should pop up right here. Ignore the block. Click on proceed. Confirm. I understand. Confirm. And bang, bro, that's exactly how to dev a meme coin. I just showed you exactly in front of your face exactly how to dev a meme coin, and I made 2 bands. In my Phantom wallet, guys, you guys can see 26.2 SOL straight into my Phantom wallet, okay? And yeah, guys, now it's up to you to do the same. It's all for educational purposes only. Create meme.io will be linked down below or in the description. So, good luck to everyone. Start deving, stop fucking trading, and start deving. That is my motto. Peace out, subscribe, peace out.